Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to comment on GIFs on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram application on your device. Then, go to the post where you want to comment and tap on the comment icon. Here, we have the GIF option. Just tap on it and you will get to see suggested GIFs. You can also search for a specific GIF in the GIF store. Just type in the action or emotion that you want to show by this GIF. It will provide you with a bunch of related GIFs. So just tap the GIF you want to use. As you can see, it has been posted in our comments. To use this feature, you just need to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So just go to the App Store and check if any latest update is available here. If yes, update your application on the latest version so you can use GIFs in comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.